So our next topic is types of plastic money. I have already covered the meaning of plastic money, its advantages and disadvantages. Now come to the types. Or in types, I am going to cover only two types in this lecture. The first one is debit card and the second one is credit card. Let's see the meaning of debit card. A debit card is a payment card that deducts money directly from a customer's checking account to pay for a purchase. Debit cards eliminate the need to carry cash or physical checks to make purchase directly from your savings. सो डेबिट कार्ड क्या है? डेबिट कार्ड प्लास्टिक मनी का, प्लास्टिक करेंसी, प्लास्टिक कार्ड का ही एक टाइप होता है जिसमें आपको कैश साथ में रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इफ़ यू हैव अ डेबिट कार्ड देन यू कैन ट्रांजैक्ट ऑनलाइन, यू कैन पे डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम योर अकाउंट. देयर इज़ नो नीड ऑफ हार्ड कैश. सो दिस इज़ द स्पेसिमेन ऑफ डेबिट कार्ड. Let's see three important things. Okay, this one is the 16-digit card number. If you shop online, if you transact online, only three informations are asked from the customer. The first one is 16-digit number. This is the 16-digit number you can put while online shopping or while online transaction. The next information is expiry date or till when the card is valid. So this is the expiry date. Two dates are mentioned in the case of debit card. The first one is from which date it is valid and the next one is its expiry date. So expiry date is asked in the case of online transaction. If you shop online, they will ask you to fill the expiry date. So this is the expiry date. This is the 16-digit number and this is the expiry date. And the third information which is generally asked is the CVV number, or you can say the card verification value number. If you see the other side of this debit card, you will find a magnetic chip, and below the magnetic chip there is a space for signature, and besides it there is a 3-digit number which is known as CVV number. This is the EMV chip. EMV chip is mainly used for the security purpose. Actually, the EMV chip makes a card safer. Now come to the features. The first one is a debit card is directly linked with your current account or saving account. If you have a saving account or a current account, then you can avail the service of debit card, because a debit card is linked with your saving account or current account. The next one is amount is deducted from your saving account and you can spend as per the amount available in your saving account. So debit card is not a credit facility. If you are using a debit card, then definitely you can only avail the amount as much as you have in your account. You cannot cross that limit. Okay, so till that limit only you can avail. So the next one is there is no monthly bill, but you can get a statement of your previous transactions. A statement obviously can be availed from ATM card, or if you are using net banking, then also you can see the statement. And if we talk about the monthly bill, there is no monthly bill as we see in the case of credit card, because it is not a type of credit facility or advance, so there is no bill or there is no interest. The next one is you do not have the choice of going into debts. Definitely you cannot go into the debt because it is not a credit facility. Again, it is not an advance facility or loan facility. You can avail that much of amount which you have already in your bank account. So no interest charges. There is no interest charges in the case of debit card. As we see in the case of credit card, there is a interest charges, but in case of debit card, there is no interest charges. The next one is fees on debit card varies from bank to bank. There may be annual fees or PIN generation fees if applicable. There is no standard fees which can be applicable. You can say the fees will vary bank to bank. The next one is very few banks have now introduced reward points feature on debit cards. Reward point feature on credit card can be seen easily but nowadays you can easily see or you can easily observe there are various debit card companies also which are giving these type of services. So now come to the meaning or definition of credit card. A credit card is the most common way to access a line of credit usually issued by a bank or financial service company. Credit card allow account holders to make purchases on credit without having to put up cash at the point of sale. The amount of a credit card line of credit, usually called a credit limit, which is determined by the card holders credit score and income. क्रेडिट कार्ड भी प्लास्टिक मनी का एक टाइप है, पर डेबिट कार्ड की तरह इसमें आपको आपके अकाउंट में जितना अमाउंट है आप उतना ही निकाल सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं है, आप उससे ज़्यादा भी निकाल सकते हो. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर क्रेडिट लिमिट. आपको कितनी क्रेडिट लिमिट प्रोवाइड की गई है इस पर डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितना अवेल कर सकते हो. और क्रेडिट लिमिट कैसे डिसाइड होती है? क्रेडिट लिमिट डिसाइड होती है कस्टमर की इनकम और कस्टमर की क्रेडिट स्कोरिंग से. क्रेडिट स्कोरिंग मतलब आप कितना टाइमली पेमेंट कर रहे हो, आप कितना फ्रीक्वेंटली पेमेंट कर रहे हो, आप पे कोई पेनाल्टी पड़ी है कि नहीं, अभी तक आप पर कोई इंटरेस्ट चार्जेस लगे हैं कि नहीं, इसके बेस पर आपकी क्रेडिट रेटिंग डिसाइड की जाती है, क्रेडिट स्कोर आपका बनता है. इफ़ यू विल पे ऑल द अमाउंट्स और ऑल योर डेट्स एंड देयर इज़ नो इंटरेस्ट फीस इम्पोज्ड ऑन यू, then definitely your credit score will increase. Now come to the features. The first one is alternative to cash. Definitely as a type of plastic money, it is alternative to cash. There is no need to carry hard money or hard cash or paper currency with you if you have a credit card with credit limit. The next one is credit limit. As I have already mentioned or I have already explained what is credit limit. Credit limit is nothing but the line of credit which is provided by the financial institution or the credit card agency to the customer. Until that limit you can avail. The next one is payment in domestic and foreign currency. In case of credit card you can avail domestic, you can pay domestically and as well as in foreign currency also. The next one is record keeping. When you transact and when you pay via using credit card, records are maintained automatically. The next one is regular charges. Regular charges are imposed by the credit card agency or credit card issuer imposed on the customers. Next one is grace period or grace days. Grace days or grace period is given to the customer to complete the payment. The next one is higher fees. अगर हम डेबिट कार्ड से कंपैरिजन करें तो जो फीस होती है क्रेडिट कार्ड की वो ज़्यादा होती है. और क्यों ज़्यादा होती है? बिकॉज इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ क्रेडिट फैसिलिटी. इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ एडवांस, है ना. आपके अकाउंट में जो अमाउंट है आप उससे ज़्यादा अवेल कर रहे हो, तो सर्विसेज जो आपको दे रहे हैं एडिशनल सर्विसेज उसका वो चार्ज करते हैं, इसलिए उनके चार्जेस जो होते हैं, फीस जो होती है वो हाई होती है. Next is additional charges for delay in payment. If there is a delay in payment, then definitely the company will impose some additional charges on the customer. Service tax is also imposed in case of credit card. Next is bonus points. If you use credit card frequently, then you will get bonus points on it. And the last one is gifts and other offers. To attract the customers, credit card agencies and credit card issuers give various gifts and offers time to time. Now come to the advantages. Let's see the advantages of credit card first. The first one is use of big ticket purchases, or you can say your credit card can be used for big purchases. Safe option for online shopping. If you talk about debit card, then it is riskier than credit card, because in credit card you are not paying the amount, the credit card agency is paying the amount for you, so it is safer option for online shopping. The next one is book your hotels or rental cars. You can use debit card and you can avail these type of services. On airline miles and cashback bonus, there are various offers are given and there are various gifts and coupons are given if you are using a credit card while shopping or while doing any payment. Now come to the advantages of debit card. The first one is easy access to cash. Definitely you can easily withdraw the cash from the ATM, or you can easily pay if you don't have cash with you. The next one is manage your budget. As in the case of debit card, this is not a credit facility, and you can avail only that much of amount which is available in your account. So definitely it manages your budget. In case of credit card, sometimes you goes over the limit, or you overspend, or you become extravagant. Now come to the third one, avoid interest and debts. Definitely debit card is not a credit facility, so there is no interest and there is no debts. Best exchange rate on foreign currencies. A customer can easily find best exchange rate if a customer is using debit card in case of transaction in foreign currency. So now this is the last one, and this is the comparison or the difference between the two, debit card and the credit card. Let's see. Write directly on your checking account. And when we talk about the debit card is directly linked to your account. But in case of credit card is not linked to your saving account or to your current account. The second one is it can be used where a credit card can be used. So both are the types of plastic money. So these both can be used at the same place. Uses a PIN to complete the transaction. A PIN is always needed to complete the transaction, or you can say it makes the debit card safer. The next one is good for daily use to help you stay within budget. Again, as it is something which can be availed, which you have already in your account. You can withdraw only that much of amount which you have already in your account. So it controls your budget. It can easily manage your budget. It does not allow a customer to go extravagant, to become extravagant, and to go over the limit. Now come to the credit card. Line of credit you can access with your card. So there is a line of credit which can be accessed by the customer with the use of the card. Purchases usually require signature. सिग्नेचर की ज़रूरत होती है परचेज के समय. पे इंटरेस्ट इफ बैलेंस इज नॉट पेड ऑफ इन 30 days. सो 30 days की साइकिल होती है, मंथली साइकिल, और 30 days के अंदर पेमेंट करना होता है. एंड इफ देयर इज अ डिले इन पेमेंट, देन high fees and high interest charges will be imposed by the credit card agency. And the last one is used for hotel reservations and car rentals. So credit card can be used as debit card also can be used. So both can be used in these type of transactions. So this is the summary of debit card and credit card. And this is the most important topic for your syllabus. So thank you so much.